You guys, these tacos, spicy, sweet, full of texture, Cajun shrimp tacos with avocado salsa is exactly what we're making today. The first thing we're gonna do to get these easy tacos going is to place our shrimp in a bowl and add some of the Cajun seasoning. You can use fresh shrimp and peel them, or if you use frozen, make sure they're fully thawed before you cook them. In this cast iron skillet, I'm gonna add some oil and heat it over medium heat. Now that the oil and the pan are hot, the shrimp go in for about 2 minutes per side until they're cooked through. While they cook, I'm gonna make my avocado salsa. I'm using Roma tomatoes and I'm going to scoop out the seeds so that my salsa isn't super soggy. The great thing about this salsa is that you can make it ahead of time and keep it in the fridge. So Tuesday nights, all you have to do is cook your shrimp and in 5 minutes, your Taco Tuesday dinner is done. While you're cooking, you can also flip your shrimp over. You don't want to overcook your shrimp because then they get chewy. That's not good. In this bowl, I'm going to combine the tomatoes, corn, black beans, red onion, avocado, some chopped cilantro, lime juice, and salt. Let's give it a good toss. To assemble, we place a scoop of the avocado and black bean salsa, then top it with a few cooked shrimp and some crumbled feta or cotija cheese right over the top. For good measure, let's add some cilantro and boom, 10 minutes and your Taco Tuesday dinner is ready. For the recipe and details on how you can grab a copy of the Taco Tuesday cookbook, check the links right below this video.